So ready? We'll solve this sum. First of all, let us consider cube root of 2 equal to x. Now we can say we have to prove, if we whole cube on the both side, we have to prove here 1 minus x plus x square whole to the power 3 equal to 9 into x minus 1. This is required to be proved. We have to prove this because I have taken cube root of x, cube root of 2 equal to x. So I have taken this side and I have done the whole square because cube root of 9 is a common. I have taken this side. So we have to prove this. For this particular sum, we have to prove this. So now what we'll do, we have to write in this way. So x cube equal to 2 here, point to be noted. Therefore, just do one thing. Now we can write 1 minus x plus x square whole square, a plus b plus c whole square. If we write this here, a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab. Since minus is here, therefore minus 2x minus 2x cube. Let us put x cube equal to 2. Therefore, we can write this as 1 plus x square. X to the power 4 means x to the power 4 means x cube into x. It means 2x. Here I am writing 2x. Therefore, this is coming 2x plus 2x square minus 2x. X cube equal to 2. Therefore, I am writing here minus 4. So, the calculation becomes plus 2x minus 2x is cancelled. So, x square, if I take the 3 common, x square minus 1. Now, whole cube, 1 minus x plus x square whole cube can be written as, our target is this. This should be our target. So, just see one thing. This is our target. This should be our target. So, I am writing here, this is 1 minus x plus x square whole square into 1 minus x plus x square. Therefore, I can write here 1 minus x plus x square whole square 3 into x square minus 1. So, I am writing this first 1 minus x plus x square into, instead of this whole square I am writing 3 is outside, 3 here, 3 into x square minus 1. I am going to the next page. Okay, let us do here. So, 3 here, 1 minus x plus x square into x plus 1 into x minus 1. So, we can say this case, this is a cube plus b cube formula. This formula is a cube plus b cube. Therefore, I can write this here 3 into x cube plus 1 into x minus 1. So, I am just changing the page. So, this is coming, what was there? 3 into x square plus 1 into x minus 1. So, 3 into x cube plus 1 into x minus 1. So, x cube equal to 2. Therefore, we can write this is 1, 2 plus 1, 3. 3 into 3, 9 into x minus 1. So, it has been proved. Just let us come to the previous. So, our target was 9 into x minus 1. Therefore, just it has been proved 9 into x minus 1. So, in this way, this type of such tricky question regularly I will solve. This is important for KVPY type of examination, Olympiad type of examination. Okay, and everybody, lot of such videos I will give you.